For most people, you'll run into a need to replace the cartridge because water is dripping out from your tub spout even when the handle is in the off position. As you'll see shortly, the hole for the screw in this cartridge is already filled in with a screw whose head had broken off, so that's why I need to replace this cartridge. A Moen tub and shower faucet cartridge. You can see the hole in the middle is filled in. I need to first remove this retainer clip. What I'm doing now is trying to loosen the cartridge that's stuck in the shower valve by trying to rotate the cartridge in place. There's a tool that you can buy which is made for doing this, but if you've got needle nose pliers, those will work just as well. If you can't loosen the cartridge using the pliers, you won't be able to do it using the special tool either. Now I'm using different pliers known as slip joint pliers to pull out the cartridge, but it's stuck. So I'm going to try to loosen it some more. The cartridge on the left is what I just pulled out with a headless screw stuck in it. And the cartridge on the right is what I salvaged from a single handle bathroom sink faucet. So it looks like the same model cartridge will work for both, and you can get one from Amazon or Home Depot for less than $25. I'm going to install the used cartridge, and you need to align it so the clip fits in like this. And for folks who had to take off the handle, you'd put it back the same way except in reverse order. I didn't have a handle to begin with, so I got myself another used handle to install. And that's it.